Hi, I'm Dr. Rajesh Fogla, a senior consultant eye surgeon working at Apollo Hospital in Jubilee Hills. I have been associated with Apollo Hospitals for the past 17 years, and I would like to convey an important message to everyone on World Sight Day. October 14th every year is celebrated as the World Sight Day. This year, the theme for the World Sight Day is Love Your Eyes. The human eye is an important sensory organ which has a direct impact on the quality of life. Just close your eyes and imagine how life would be without having good eyesight. So relating to the theme, Love Your Eyes, what can one do to improve the health of the eyes? Well, you can go for periodic eye examination, which can help detect uncorrected refractive errors, which could be the reason for the eye strain. It can help detect glaucoma, which is raised eye pressure, which has a direct impact on the optic nerve, and this disease can cause irreversible loss of eyesight if not detected on time. Systemic conditions like diabetes and hypertension also affect the eye, and a complete examination can help determine the severity of the disease. You can improve the health of your eyes by adopting a healthy lifestyle, eating a healthy diet containing enough green leafy vegetables. You can avoid exposure to the ultraviolet harmful sun rays, which can have impact on the long-term health of the eye. You can avoid smoking because it's shown that it directly impacts the eye, results in faster development of cataract and progression of age-related macular degeneration. You can control systemic diseases like diabetes and hypertension and thereby prevent damage to the eye. How can one reduce the eye strain? You can reduce the eye strain by getting the proper pair of glasses, improving your working conditions, especially if you work for long hours on the computer. So remember, after working for every 30 minutes, you take a break for 30 seconds, close your eyes, give rest to your eyes. Remember to blink frequently because infrequent blinking can lead to secondary dry eye, and that can make your eyes feel very uncomfortable. So I think these are the few points that I would like to convey on the World Sight Day. Do love your eyes and take good care. Thank you.